So what you see I got here is a piece of cracked porcelain. So I'm zooming in, you can see that triangular piece there is missing. And what I'm going to do is use these Epoxy Putty. So this is Milliput super fine. And what I have to do is just mix these two different compounds. So it's fairly easy. If you're able to do Play-Doh, you know, then you could fix this easily. It doesn't take much skill. So I am going to cut equal proportions. And the key here is to mix this well. Definitely mix this well. So, you know, keep on massaging that until it's a good consistency. And notice I'm just pushing it in. I'm pushing it in dry. And just trying to mush it in. So this will dry rock hard, ceramic hard. And you could use this on any substance that is kind of ceramic-like. So your bathtub, the porcelain bathroom sink that I have here. So I'm just trying to smooth it out. You'll notice I used painter's tape here, but you could use just normal masking tape. And, you know, just cleaning up the area. Now I do have hairline cracks, and I'm going to try to fill up the hairline cracks also. And that's actually not going to work, but you'll see what I do here. So right now, I'm just going to try to smooth it out a little bit more. And after I smooth it out, it's nice and filled in. I could just wet it a little bit and just smooth it out before it dries. So this stuff takes about 24 hours to fully dry. And that's for it to dry rock hard. So you could see I'm trying to fill in the hairline cracks, and it's just not going to work. Which is fine because I could actually scrape it off while it's still dry. And even if I didn't, what I could do is I could use, you know, 2000 grit or 4000 grit and wet sand it to get it out. But all I'm doing here is really just using water, you know, droplets of water. You can see now it's nice and smooth. So this doesn't take long. It takes, you know, 10 minutes, if that. And it's nice and filled in. So I'm just gonna let it sit and have it dry, and it's gonna look pretty good. So that's actually gonna be the color. So it is gonna be super bright white, and it's rock hard. Now what I'm gonna do is try to use porcelain touch-up, and I did spot check an area, and it's super white, so I'm not even gonna bother with it. So I'm gonna have these links in the description area to Amazon. And I hope this helps, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching.